This is my favorite topic, not because I am an expert in molecular biology or I like gene editing, but for a different reason. Okay, so before I get to the real topic, let me tell you, why do I make videos? I make videos because when I was studying, I was 10 years ahead of time, and that's how I could visualize what the future biotech ecosystem will need, and we built it. And I've seen how important it is to be a visionary, be a leader, and to see the world 10 years ahead of time. And that's exactly why I make videos. Many of my videos will be more futuristic than anywhere else because future is where you're living right now. 20 years from today, this technology did not exist. The scientists were still clapping about Dolly the sheep, but a game changer happens. Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuel Charpentier come up with the CRISPR technology, right? But then scientists faced another problem. And the problem is, you know how to precisely cut the gene or the DNA, the strand, but you don't know out of all the gene pairs or the base pairs, which one, where exactly is faulty. So you have to analyze the genome, right? And that is exactly where AI comes into the picture. Now remember, I told you this is my favorite topic. My favorite topic is not AI. Now, my favorite topic is not CRISPR. My favorite topic is the power of combination. Look around you. You are a power of combination. You're a product of a power of combination. First, your parents' genes. That's what makes you unique, right? And then, of course, the education system. Of course, you had different experiences. And of course, you are from a different city. So your genetic makeup, your environmental scenario was different. So you become a different and unique individual, right? So even though the same problem you will face, you might try to solve it in a different way. So the power of combination. So let's come back here. AI powered with, or AI empowering CRISPR, right? That is where the future is, guys. That is where I want to take you all. If you are interested in research, but you are confused, like what the future jobs will look like, how would I get a job? Then you have to be unique and different than the previous generation, right? So if the previous generation was doing research using wet lab techniques, you have to do the same thing inside a computer, right? So what if you could edit a genome right inside a computer and see the results, and then only you could reproduce it in the real world, right? That is where AI in CRISPR comes into the picture. Now, you as an individual will get plethora of opportunities in the future, but if you get started today, you become the visionary, you become the leader, right? Like how I could do it 20 years ago, right? Today, I'm here to give you a free handbook, okay? A free handbook which has got a complete picture of how AI and CRISPR is coming together, and it is revolutionizing the world of research. So this particular ebook has AI-driven biology and CRISPR details, biotech future details. It has got a beginner-friendly, like you are not a technologist, right? Yet you are still a biotechnologist, not an AI expert. So it has a beginner-friendly explanation of terms and terminologies like AI, genomics, bioinformatics, gene editing, and then from there we start building the entire story, and we tell you how exactly the entire future is revolving around AI and CRISPR. So you'll get a lot of insights on high-paying jobs, work from home jobs, freelancing opportunities. We have also talked about various modern biotech skill set which professionals like you should learn, and then of course essential AI and biotech tools which you should learn, for example AlphaFold, BLAST, blenching, and more. So we have all of that in this ebook. And then towards the end, I have personally written a career roadmap, a portfolio, and a LinkedIn branding chapter is there. And of course, we have given elaborate details on how you can freelance also. So today's world is transforming from biology to AI-assisted biology, from drug discovery to AI-assisted drug discovery, from CRISPR to AI-powered CRISPR. Today, we are living in digital biology, an era where you no longer discover things like how Watson and Crick did. You design new biomolecules using AI, right? That's where the world is going. So this ebook, this handbook is going to be super valuable for you if you are just getting started with your biology career. If you are a BSc student, MSc student, biotechnology learner, enthusiast, professional, curious, general public also, if you are a fresher or an experienced person, if you are a professional who is already working in the industry, if you want to transition into AI, ML, and CRISPR, this ebook, this handbook is a must-have. Now, here is the good news and the bad news. The good news is it is free of cost, but for a limited time. Link in the comment section. But after a week, this will be a paid ebook or handbook available only on Biotecnika stores. Probably the price will be around 500 rupees. So I don't want you to miss this opportunity. Download this ebook today. The link is given in the comment section, and I will see you soon in the next video. But before that, here is something which I would like to highlight. AI powered researcher is the future of biosciences. That's you. All the best.